everyone, I'm Tyler Crouch with your Diz Daily Fix for Tuesday, April 3rd, 2018. Here's what's happening today. Almost a year ago, we reported that each Walt Disney World theme park would be getting a Club 33 lounge. Now we are starting to see the exclusive lounges take shape at the Magic Kingdom, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. The latter two parks seem to be the furthest along as their lounges' doorbells are now visible to guests. Disney's Hollywood Studios Lounge will be connected to the Hollywood Brown Derby in what was previously the Catwalk Bar. Epcot's Club 33 will be located in the American Adventure Pavilion in what was previously the Chase Visa Lounge. And as previously stated, the Magic Kingdom's Club 33 Lounge isn't as far along in construction process, but it is known that the lounge will be in what was the former Adventureland Veranda restaurant. At this time, the Diz cannot confirm where the Club 33 Lounge at Disney's Animal Kingdom will be located, and it is assumed by many that the construction has not even begun. When the lounges are open, club members will be able to enjoy 4 different locations throughout the resort. Walt and Lillian Disney's travels around the world will figure heavily into the theme of each of the new locations. Walt Disney World has announced that a new My Disney Experience feature will be coming soon to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. By activating the new digital key feature on the app, guests will be able to unlock their hotel room using their mobile device. The digital key will also work on hotel entrance gates, pools, elevators, fitness centers, and club-level lounges. Guests can also continue to use their Magic Band to unlock their hotel room. Guests must have a Bluetooth-enabled device and the most recent version of My Disney Experience app to use the new digital key feature. I think that sounds really cool. The Polk County Sheriff's Office has reported that 35-year-old Kevin Van Orman of South Daytona, a bus driver at the Walt Disney World Resort, was arrested on March 25th, 2018 for attempting to meet up with who he thought was a 15-year-old girl. The girl was said to be visiting Disney. She was actually an undercover deputy. Van Orman is facing charges of attempted lewd battery, traveling to lure a child, and using a computer to solicit or lure a child. He has since been released from jail on a $7,000 bail, according to Fox 35. Disney says that he has been placed on unpaid leave pending the outcome of the investigation. Today's featured article on the Diz is by Pete Peroni, and it is titled, "Prices Keep Going Up, and I'm Okay With It." In the article, Pete outlines why he's okay with that the prices are continually going up year after year. It's a pretty interesting read. You can find that and many articles at www.info.com. Trending on the boards today is the official Toy Story Land information thread that was started by our moderator, Arteets. In this thread, you'll find posters discussing up-to-the-minute details on the whimsical land that is set to open at Disney's Hollywood Studios on June 30th, 2018. Stop by the theme park's attractions and strategies forum at dizboards.com to join in on the discussion. On the Diz Unplugged today, you can catch the final episode of our 7 and 7 Days series. Today we head over to Port Orleans Riverside. It was a lot of fun, so go and check it out. You can see our vlog and our whole entire review. So today with the weather, Anaheim, it is cloudy with a high of 71 and a low of 54. In Orlando, it is mostly cloudy with a high of 86 and a low of 67. You can find the links to these stories and more at our Diz Daily Fix main page at www.info.com/dailyfix. That's going to do it for me today, but be sure to join us again for another installment of the Diz Daily Fix, guys. Have a great day.